In this video, I'm going to show you how to make wavy text in Canva. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open a project in Canva. So as you can see, I have this project right here. So I'm just going to do it like this. Now, if you want to add a wavy text, simply head over to your apps right here on the left hand side and type warp. And you'll see this type warp app right here. So click on it and install the app. Now the app will look like this. As you can see, let's say we can warp text. Just add the text right there. You can select the font if you like. You can edit the font. You can edit the shapes. As you can see, they have a bunch of different shapes right here. Let's say this is the wavy font shape you want. There's this type right here. You can also edit the waves, so how the wave will look like, the intensity of the wave height, you can edit it right here. And after that, simply click on Add to Design. And as you can see, your warp text or wavy text is now added to your project. So that's how easy and simple it is. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.